Good morning students. Today we will start next chapter coordinate geometry and give the introduction. Then we know that in a coordinate geometry we will represent the coordinate of any point on the Cartesian plane. Then this is the horizontal line, and horizontal line known as the x-axis, and special name of this axis is what? Abscissa. And vertical line y-axis, and special name of this axis is what? Ordinate. And these two lines intersect at a point, and this point represented by the zero or O, and special name of this is origin. And this plane is known as the Cartesian plane. And if we will going from right side in a horizontal line, then positive values we get, and left side negative values. And upward direction in vertical line we will get the positive values, and downward we will get the negative values. And these four parts known as the quadrant. This is the first quadrant, second quadrant, this is third quadrant, and this is the fourth quadrant. And if any point lies in first quadrant, then we know that value of x is positive and y is also positive. And if we want to write the coordinate, then firstly write the value of x and then value of y, because here both x and y both are the positive. That means coordinate of any point in first quadrant both are the positive, and in second quadrant x is negative and y is positive. In third quadrant both values negative, and in fourth quadrant x is positive and value of y is negative. And when we will write the value of x-axis and y-axis in ordered pair, then that will represent the what? Coordinate. That means x comma y. And that means if any point lies in first quadrant, then both values will be the positive. In second quadrant value of abscissa negative and ordinate will be the positive. In third quadrant both values are negative, and in fourth quadrant abscissa positive and ordinate will be the negative. For example, here suppose that here 2 comma minus 4, then this point in first quadrant 2 and 4, and in second quadrant this point minus 2 and value of abscissa ordinate is 4, and in third quadrant minus 2 minus 4. This is the example.